there was a girl named
This
Jane.
is what everyone is telling you.
Emma moved
Go
away.
to this channel
Jane
and
kept
generate
texting,
images,
calling,
and go to this
trying
other
to stay
one to
close.
animate them to get a
Emma's
story.
replies
But no one
came
is
less
telling
and
you that
less.
to get
On
a
Jane's
highly
birthday,
engaging
she
and
waited
viral
all day
animated story,
until
you need high quality images and a good story. In this video, that is what I'm going to be showing you step by step, how to get the high quality images and how to get a good story. So if you are someone who is lazy like myself to think of what stories to post, then this video is for you, because I'll be walking you step by step. So the first thing will be for you to go to the YouTube channel that inspires you, to get some ideas from them. You are not going to copy them, but you are just going to get some ideas and inspiration. So if you are ready with your channel, follow me to the tutorials. Let me show you. You'll go to YouTube, to the channel that you get inspiration from, and you select the video you want to recreate. Next, you click on the copy link option. Then take this link to Google Chrome and type Node GPT. Next, click Try Free Now. And here you are going to paste the link in this space where you see it there, and then you click Summarize Now. Node GPT is going to generate a transcript of this video, and then you click on copy to copy the transcript and read it once to make the corrections you want to make, like changing names, changing locations, and so on. Next, you go to ChatGPT and paste it there. Tell ChatGPT that this is a story I'm sharing with you. I want you to generate it. And so ChatGPT will do the corrections that you have put there and then generate the story. Now you might be thinking that this is easy, we can do it by ourselves. Here is the deal. After ChatGPT must have regenerated that story, now you tell ChatGPT that now that you know the kind of stories I'm interested in, create 5 more stories for me to generate videos like this. So ChatGPT is going to give you 5 more story ideas that you can use to create videos. Next, you are going to ask ChatGPT for scene by scene prompts for the first video you brought to ChatGPT. Now it will give you those prompts. Also ask for scene by scene video prompt, because after creating the images, you are going to animate them, and ChatGPT will also do that for you. Next is to go and generate your images. You can generate them right here on ChatGPT, but I want to go to Pixar. Now you can see ChatGPT is busy generating our prompts. So we just wait for it to finish generating, and then we go ahead to start generating the images one by one. So I'm going to go to Pixar to generate my images. So I already created the images here. These are the images. But for someone who doesn't know how to use Pixar, you are just going to paste your prompt here where it says, what do you want to draw? So paste the prompt there, and then you select the aspect ratio. So I selected 9:16 because I want it for YouTube Shorts. So, and you just send the prompt and it will generate your images. So I'm just going ahead to download the images that I already created. And the next step will be to animate these images. And remember, ChatGPT already gave us a prompt to use to animate. So you can go to any of your apps that you use to animate your videos. So I'm just going to go to Grok AI. So I'll copy the prompt for each of those sections. So I'm starting with the first scene. I'll copy the prompt and then take the first picture and go to Grok for animations. This is what Grok looks like. You click on create video, and then you click here on that small picture icon, and that will take you to your photo gallery to select the picture you want to start animating. So I'll just select one by one. I'll select the first one and then paste the prompt that I got from ChatGPT and let it generate the video. If you are still watching till this point, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with others, and if you think that this channel is giving you some value, please subscribe. Now the video has been generated. I will do this for all of the other images to convert them to videos. And our next step will be to create the voiceover for our video. Now we are going to go back to ChatGPT and copy the story that we pasted there. Next, we'll take it to Google and type 11 Labs. That is where we are going to get our voiceover. So when you get to 11 Labs for the first time, you can create your account before you start using it. So we copy the story and then go on to 11 Labs. Now you are just going to paste your story here. As you can see, my story, I pasted it yesterday because I created it yesterday. And now you select any voice there that you like. So I have selected the voice already. Next, you click generate. So it's going to generate your voiceover based on the voice that you selected. And then when you finish generating, you are going to save the audio to your files. So the next part is for us to go to put everything together on CapCut. Now on CapCut, I'm just going to start a new project and I'll upload all of the videos that we created. So I'll just select them here and then bring them over to start editing. Our videos are now on CapCut. So the first thing is to bring our voiceover. So click on sound. Next, click the file icon, then device, and then select from device. That will take you to your files where you're going to bring the sound. I already have the sound uploaded to CapCut, so I'm just going to use it. I'll just click on it to add it to the video. Now that the voice has been added, you can see that the voiceover is longer than the clips. What I'm going to do is just to click on any of those random clips here. I'll just select any randomly and make it slower. So when it's slower, it takes much time to see how we can cover the space left. So I'll just do that for a few clips so that it fits together. That's the goal, to make the clips and the voiceover to match. And then we are just going to put little transitions from one clip, one scene to another. We put some transitions just to make it look nice to watch. And then so you can play it to hear what it is. So I'm just going to export the video. If you want to see the full video that we created, go to the channel linked here whose name is appearing below to watch the full video. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you on another video.